Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art and they want to use this horse, but they don't want that white and they don't want the white around the lower part of the eye. They want all the other white. And depending whether you're engraving this or printing it, might come into play. So this is a bitmap, you can tell. I've reduced it to 4 inches for the one I'm doing it for. I'm going to make my nudge factor 5. And I'm going to make a duplicate like I always do. In case I mess up, I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clipart. There's 2 ways to do this, and one of them is not really safe. And I'll show you why. I'm going to remove the background from the entire image. So now we have that horse. If we look at it with a yellow background, go up to Object, Order, back a page, you can see it's just the horse now. Now, one way you could fix it would be able to, we're going to take a color sample of that black. And, well, that's not, thought I could color eyedropper. Okay, it is RGB black. So it's good if you're going to engrave it. So you could do this. You could pick your RGB black, fill that in. Now, the only downside in that, there's a little bitty line there. So what I would suggest doing would be a lot safer, draw a rectangle, take your Smart Fill tool, set it on something other than black, and fill in this part of the box, and then move it over. There's your silhouette of your horse, and it's perfect. Now, to fix the nose, we're just going to fill that in and move it over, fill that in and move it over. Take the top of the eye and move it over. They don't want that, but they need an eye there. So I'm going to take the 3-point curve line and go from about right there to right there. Put a little curve on it. Take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. So by doing that and putting it in the picture, when we fill this in with black, those will be negatives or see-through. I'm only concerned if you're going to engrave this might burn away. So if you took your shape tool and just made this blue a little bit bigger, and you can play around with that. And you might even consider taking that out. But then we're going to take our Smart Fill tool, set on black, and we're going to fill that in and move it over. And look at that. Good, clean, all one piece, RGB, a little bit bigger. And this would be easy to fix. I'm not saying you should do it or should not do it, but all you have to do is take your shape tool and maybe delete that node. Maybe take that node and just right there. Everything else is crisp, clear, perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.